As I begin grade 12, I have to figure out how I'm going to balance schoolwork and finding time to research universities and programs that I want to apply to. There are a few tips and tricks that I've learned from friends and family that'll help me. The first is to keep in mind all important dates like OUF, Ontario University Fair, Fall Open House, when applications begin, application deadlines, etc. The second is to get a day planner or put everything in my phone's calendar. This way I know when everything is and when due dates are, so I'm not forgetting anything, and I'll stay on top of all my work. The next is to stay on top of all my work. This is the time to stop procrastinating and do everything as soon as I get it. Don't push anything off to the last minute. That's how I'm going to fall behind and stress myself out. Next, I need to take time every day after school to research universities and university programs. Even if it's only 10 minutes, I'm still taking that time, and it's better than pushing it off to the last minute. Finally, the most important tip, I've been told by everyone to read every single email I receive from a university in full. Every email will contain important information, otherwise they wouldn't send it to me. I need to keep all of these in mind as I move into grade 12 and prepare for university, as they'll all help me better manage my last year of school.